Installing a PMB status LED cable. Route the PMB status LED cable through the hole in the chassis and then insert the front end of the PMB status LED cable into the slot until it is firmly seated. Route the PMB status LED cable into the cable clip. And then connect the cable to the power module board. If necessary, reinstall the rear operator panel. Reinstall the rear dust filter. Place the dust filter into the chassis. Align the rear bezel with the chassis and then fasten the 2 captive screws to secure the bezel. Reinstall fan 2. Align the fan module with the fan slot and then lower the fan module into the fan slot. Use a PH1 screwdriver to fasten the 4 captive screws to secure the fan module. Connect the fan cable to the system board. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PMB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Turn the node over so that the bottom side faces up. Use the key to lock the node covers.